Hey, what's up, YouTube? I thought the zoom in didn't fit on the 6 lane. Haha, just kidding. It's a mod. Stick around, I'll show you how to do it. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I recently put my 6 lane back together and I wanted to film on the 6 lane, but as we know, the zoom in does not fit the 6 lane. But I wanted to show you guys a really simple 2-second trick that you can modify the zoom in and it will work with your GoPro on the 6 lane. It fits on the regular, orange track, but not the 6 lane because the dividers in between are just a little bit too tall, and that outside curve that holds the side of the GoPro, it just rubs left and right side. You get a little bit of a teeter-tottering effect, and the wheels just float above the actual, 6 lane itself. So I'm gonna cut that off. I'm gonna try and leave the little outside part where it says GoPro, just so there's a little bit of something holding the GoPro from shifting to the left and the right, even though I don't believe it needs anything really, because that gray arm really holds it in place well. But I'm gonna leave them on just because. But that bottom portion, I'm gonna cut that entire little rectangle out, and it'll fit. Just a small little bit of material on the outside. You don't have to drill the casting apart. You can get in there with a pair of scissors, an X-Acto knife or something. And then I went through with a little file, softened up the edges a little bit just so, I wouldn't scratch my GoPro or whatever. Not that it really matters, but that's what I did personally, and that's it. And now the zoom in works on the 6 lane, which is, in my opinion, the only reason this thing was really made in the first place. Yeah, it's great on the fat track as well, but it's really being able to start it with your vehicles is really what I was excited for. And when I found out it didn't work, I just had to grab one and see if I could mod it and make it work. Let's do a couple test runs. And there you have it, a zoom in working on the 6 lane with a simple mod that only takes about 35-45 seconds to do. Appreciate you guys for hanging out. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.